Back to the ball game. Score 23-15. Habay to Maida. Maida to Senyeres. Senyeres libre. Bang! 3 points by number 10, Senyeres. Score 18-23. Nakano pass to Iying. Iying for 2, no good. Rebound by Tumon. Blocked by Maida. Rebound by Tumon again. Intercepted by Salanga. Pass to Maida. Maida to Senyeres. Senyeres side step pass to Maida. Yes, 2 points. Ungkas to Nakano. Nakano out of bounds. Last touch white.